Okay, so we made it to the Swinging Bridge Trail. Off in the distance, you can literally see snow on the mountaintop right over there. Absolutely gorgeous. And of course, the trail over there. It's gonna be a short little hike. Hopefully really pretty, really nice.
March is a unique time to be in this part of the park. While the valley floor is waking up, you can still feel the lingering chill of winter in the shadows. The crowds haven't quite yet arrived, giving us this rare sense of solitude. As we head toward the river, keep an eye on the tree line. The contrast between the deep greens of the pines and the gray, partly cloudy sky today really makes the granite peaks in the distance pop.
So as you saw on the sign, the trail is 0.7 miles to the Swinging Bridge, and it's a really easy trail. It's just flat all the way there for the most part. Maybe a slight incline, decline.
You'll start to hear the south fork of the Merced River before you see it. Because of the snowmelt happening high above us, the water is moving with some serious purpose right now.
Okay, so I think we've made it to the Swinging Bridge. It's pretty neat looking. So we're gonna cross over and go to the other side.
There's that classic bridge sway. It's not just a name, you can really feel the rhythm of the structure as you move over the rapids. Look at the clarity of the water. It's freezing, pure, and crystal clear. We're going to take a minute to head across, check out the view from the other side, and then loop back to soak in the mountain views from the center of the span. Watching the river rush underneath you gives you a real perspective on the power of the Sierra Nevada snowpack. This section of the park has a much different vibe than Yosemite Valley. It feels more rugged, more untouched, and today we practically have the whole trail to ourselves. What's incredible is that just a few thousand feet higher, there's deep snow. Yet here we are on dry dirt. It's the perfect window of time for a hike like this. No gear required, just a good pair of boots and a camera. The way the light is hitting those high country peaks through the clouds right now is exactly why we came out here today. If you're looking for a hike that offers maximum reward for minimum effort, the Wawona Swinging Bridge is a must-do. It's short, it's sweet, and it's a side of Yosemite many people skip. Thanks for coming along on this March trek with us. We'll see you on the next trail.